Tile Slim, a sleek, minimalist tracking device designed to help you keep tabs on your valuables. But here's what surprised me: despite its compact size and promise of ease of use, I've encountered some significant issues with this product that I want to share with you today. For the best price, click the link in the description to see if it's still available at a discounted rate. As someone who's always on the go, I thought Tile Slim would be the perfect solution for tracking my keys, wallet, or even my phone. After all, its sleek design and promise of 3-year battery life made it seem like a no-brainer investment. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and take a closer look at some of the problems I encountered with Tile Slim. First off, let me say that I was impressed by the ease of setup. Just download the app, pair your device, and you're good to go. But things took a turn for the worse when I tried to use it in conjunction with my phone's GPS. There's something fishy going on with the way Tile Slim tracks locations. Sometimes it's spot on, other times it seems like it's just randomly jumping around on the map. Now you might be thinking, what about the 3-year battery life? Isn't that supposed to save me money in the long run? Well, let me tell you, I've been using Tile Slim for a few weeks now, and already I'm seeing some signs of battery drain. But before we jump to conclusions, let's take a closer look at some of the other features. The alarm on Tile Slim is actually quite handy. It lets you set up custom alerts when your device goes out of range or gets close to another one. So far so good, right? But here's where things get really interesting, or rather not. You see, I discovered that some users have reported issues with the app crashing on older devices. Now I know what you're thinking: this is just a minor glitch, it'll be fixed in an update. But hold on a second, this isn't just about functionality, it's also about user experience. Can you imagine having to deal with an app that crashes every time you try to use it? There's something fundamentally wrong when a product like Tile Slim, designed to make our lives easier and more convenient, ends up causing frustration instead. But don't take my word for it, check out some of the other reviews online, where users are sharing their own experiences with the product. You might be surprised at how many people have reported similar issues. At this point, I want to reiterate that Tile Slim may not be the right choice for everyone. However, if you do decide to give it a try, make sure to follow these tips to get the most out of your device. Make sure your phone and Tile app are running the latest version. Use the alarm feature sparingly. Excessive use can drain the battery faster than expected. Keep an eye on your device's battery life if you notice any significant drops in performance. Now I know some of you might still be interested in giving Tile Slim a shot. And hey, it's not all bad, there are definitely some redeeming qualities to this product. But let me ask you, is the convenience really worth the potential frustration and hassle? If you've had your fair share of dealing with tracking devices that just don't deliver, I want to hear from you in the comments below. What was your experience like? Any recommendations for alternatives out there? At the end of the day, it's all about finding a product that genuinely meets our needs. And while Tile Slim may have some great ideas behind its design, I think we need to take a closer look at what really matters. Performance, user experience, and value for money. Don't get me wrong, I want to give credit where credit is due. The customer support team was helpful in addressing my concerns, but that's just not enough when it comes to a product like this. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description to see if Tile Slim is still available at a discounted rate.